So good evening. We are back again. We're going to talk about Moises Caicedo. Manchester United have entered the race. And nobody's bid for this guy yet. Very, very strange. Before we get into all that, working out where he's going, what we think he's going to do, are Man U really interested? Can they afford him? Before we get into all of that, make sure you are smashing the like button. Thank you very much. We're over 16K. That is always appreciated. So thank you to everybody who has subbed to the channel. This channel is flying, by the way. 6,000 subs this month. So my 25K target is looking kind of comfortable. I can't lie. It's looking like we're on course for that 25K. We're on 16.1 right now. Anyone who ain't subbed, do it now. Make sure you smash the like button up. That would be great. Share the content far and wide. Get your comments in down below. Get your super chats in down below. Big up to everyone who does do that. And yeah, there's a lot of paper talk around Moises Caicedo, but the fact of reality is nobody's bid for him. Why? Why has nobody bid for Caicedo yet? Arsenal went in twice in January, got rejected twice. Nobody has actually bid for him. Chelsea are in talks. He wants to go. Now Man United have come in. Would he go? Does he want to play for United? Would he get in the team? Blah, blah, blah. I think he would get in the team. I've seen a lot of people saying, like, where would he start? Where would he play? He'd play next to Casemiro. I think that's pretty obvious. He would literally start every game. He's that good. Yeah, and you'd find a position in the team for him. Yeah, they're playing with McFred in midfield. And people are sitting there saying, where would he play? Him and Casemiro would be unbelievable. That would be the partnership of dreams. Yeah, and then Bruno can do what he's doing in front. Yeah, and then all they need is a striker and a goalkeeper. They're linked to Onana as well, which, again, is a player that I wanted before he went to Inter. And I was told, no, he's just coming off a ban. Yeah, you don't want him. He's trouble. Okay, mate, good one. That went well, didn't it? And now he's going for around 50 million quid, when back then we could have got him for about 6 or 7. Yeah, he's an unbelievable goalkeeper. Again, I think if Man United get both of them players, yeah, I think that elevates them massively. Yeah, Man United need a goalkeeper that can play out from the back. Yeah, I'm not really for this playing out from the back crap. Like, I can't lie. Yeah, like teams and managers and fans are obsessed with this sexy brand of football. I just like winning football. I couldn't care less whether you want to stink the gaff out. Win me a trophy. I don't care. Yeah, I will fully take 1-0 to the Arsenal all season if it means we win the title. I will fully take Simeone ball all season if it wins me a title. Bring Simeone in, get him in. Yeah, I'd fully take it. Yeah, but people are obsessed with like aesthetics. Oh, it has to look good. It has to be passing out from the back. It has to be, oh my God, yes, look how great it is on the eye. It's easy on the eye. And ultimately, it wins nothing. Brighton is the perfect example of that. Yeah, they play good football. They're great to watch. But ultimately, they win nothing. So what's the point? What is the point? If you ain't going to win anything, it's irrelevant. So Man United, as much as they're linked to Onana, yeah, and he would be a massive upgrade on De Gea, in my opinion. Will it elevate them into a title challenge? I don't think just the goalkeeper would. But I do think if they got Casemiro and then when they got Harry Kane, I think that's a title challenge. Yeah, all day long. Yeah, I think that'll be a title challenge. Go and get Harry Kane, go and get Caicedo, and then get the goalkeeper. I think that's a title challenge. I can't lie. Yeah, let's be real. Man United finished, 9 points behind Arsenal last season? Let me have a look. I think it was 9 points, wasn't it? Where are we? Premier League table. Last season. Yeah. 9 points. 9 points behind Arsenal. That's 3 games. Will Arsenal be that good again to start the season off and be flying for 93% of it? Will they fall away? Will Man United start off as poorly as they did last season? 9 points. It sounds massive on paper, but really, it's not that much. Yeah, if Man United had beaten Arsenal just in one game at the Emirates, the game that we won, say they won that game, United, we'd have 3 points less. You'd have 3 points more. So easy it twists. Yeah, we'd have 3 points less. Yeah, so that would be you'd be 3 points behind us. Just off of one game. 3 points. That's how quick it spins. Same with us with Man United, with Man City. If we had beaten Man City once, just once out of them 2 league games, we win the league. Because they'd have 3 points less, we'd have 3 points more, we'd win the league by 1 point. And that is how quick it changes. And this is why when I see football fans sitting there getting gassed up about everything, it's like, mate, slow down. Wait until you actually win the league. Wait until you get the trophy in. Wait until it's actually official before you get the player. Yeah, before start hyping everything up. Because there's no need to start gassing and hyping everything up before the event's finished. Yeah, and I see way too many football fans doing this. Like, happens all the time. But I do think if Caicedo goes to Man United, yeah, I think that midfield is the best partnership in the league. Casemiro and Caicedo, boy, good luck. Good luck against that. That is a proper battle, proper warriors in midfield. Yeah, and they got the technical ability. Casemiro scores bags of goals as well. Yeah, and I just think that'd be a problem. I can't lie. I think that'd be a massive, massive issue for people. Do I think he's going to Man United? I could see it. I think Chelsea have been doing all the groundwork, but again, nobody's put a bid in. So whoever gets a bid accepted by Brighton probably gets the player. So Man United need to get their skates on and hurry up because they've already missed out on Kim Min-jae. They've missed out on him. He's signed for Bayern Munich today. So, yeah, they need to get their skates on United because they're moving crazy. I can't lie. They're moving like snails. Yeah, this is big Man United, you know. Big Man United sitting there, not really doing anything. They've still got nobody out the football club apart from the young lad. What was his name? Zidane Iqbal. They sold for less than £1 million. What's that all about? All right. Other than that, they've still got all the dross at the football club. Harry Maguire's still there. McTominay's still there. Fred's still there. Makes no sense. Makes no sense whatsoever. Yeah, and if Man United don't get their act together, yeah, this transfer window will literally pass them by. Yeah, and then we'll be sitting there talking about a totally different United, a United that will be struggling for top 4 next season. Yeah, United that is not United because the fans will be going nuts. Yeah, they will be going absolutely mad. Most of it will just be mouth online because we see with the protest the other day, nobody cares. It's all Twitter. That's it. Just mouthiest fan base. Yeah, Twitter. Same with Arsenal. Mouthiest fan base, Twitter. Yeah, but the fact of reality is when you actually want to do something, yeah, 99% of the fans don't live in the UK. And the ones that do don't care. So you're always going to have a turnout of 40 to 50 to 100 people. It's pathetic. Yeah, it's actually pathetic. Yeah, but if you go on Twitter and have a look at, oh my God, yeah, Glazer's out. It's just for traction. Just to look at me. Oh, I've tweeted Glazer's out. I'm a real fan. Yeah, really? Okay, good one, mate. Was you at the protest? Oh, no, I couldn't get the day off work, mate. What do you mean you couldn't get the day off work? If you cared that much, you get a day off. Phoning sick. No, I couldn't, mate. I couldn't. My boss wouldn't let me, mate. Yeah, it's all BS, man. And Man United is a shambles of a club at the moment. Yeah, but with a couple of good signings, Harry Kane, Caicedo, the goalkeeper, Onana, them 3 signings would cost around 200 odd million. About 200 odd million. And instantly, Man United are a problem. They'll then have a top banger up front. They've got a double pivot of dreams. They've got a goalkeeper that can play out from the back. They've already got Varane. They've already got Lissandro. They've already got Rashford. Yeah, they've already got players that can change games. Yeah, now you add Harry Kane to that with a solid midfield and a decent goalkeeper. Boy, I think that's problems. I can't lie. Yeah, I can't lie. I think that would be a bit of an issue for a lot of teams. But listen, it is what it is. And that is how fine the margins are because Man United could genuinely go and buy all 3 of them. They could. They're Man United. Man United going for Harry Kane, they've got the money. Surely Man United have the money. There's no way I'm being told Man U are skint. Big Man United with no money at all. Well, if that's the case, get rid of players and get some money in. Ain't difficult, is it? But what do I know? I'm just a numpty YouTuber. Let me know your thoughts, feelings, opinions. Leave it all down below. Let me know what you think. Will Caicedo end up at Man United? I'm kind of 50-50. Call me Lamar. Right about now, I'm 50-50. I'm 50-50. If Man United want him, I think that if they slap the money down, I think he would go there. Yeah, I do. I think he would go there. But it depends who gets in there first. You know, Chelsea, Arsenal. I'd want Arsenal to get him personally, but that ain't going to happen. We've already got our man. which means we're not allowed to go and get another one. That, God help us. I mean, that would put way too much expectation on the football club. Anyway, all have a blessed day. Let me know down below what you think. Will Man U sign Harry Kane? Will they sign Onana? Will they sign Caicedo? Leave it down below. Get your comments, super chats in, and I'm out of here. Adios, amigos.